The principle here is simple. As many of you already know very well that our thoughts and words have a direct impact on our reality. So, what if we could change our reality simply by changing our thoughts and words? Before we begin, let me share you one interesting story. Once upon a time, in a small town lived a woman named Sarah. Sarah was well known for her upbeat spirit, but she was currently struggling. She'd been working hard for years, but seemed stuck in a never-ending cycle of hardship. One evening, Sarah attended a workshop, hoping to find some answers. During the session, she heard the concept, "You create your own reality." The idea resonated with her, but she couldn't see how to apply it to her situation. Following the workshop, Sarah decided to test this principle. She thought, if I can create my reality, then I want to manifest a bright red rose in my life, something simple yet unlikely to happen by chance. Every morning, Sarah would sit quietly, visualizing a vibrant red rose, its scent, its texture. She did this with full belief and positive expectation, letting go of any doubts. She'd then continue her day, choosing to focus on positive thoughts as best she could, despite her circumstances. Days turned into weeks, but there was no sign of a red rose. Sarah began to feel disheartened, but she reminded herself to trust the process and maintain her positive focus. One day, after weeks of this daily ritual, Sarah received a letter. It was an invitation to a local charity event, and to her surprise, attached to the letter was a small picture of a bright red rose. The picture was exactly as she had visualized it. Sarah was overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. It was a simple thing, a picture of a rose, but to her, it was proof that she could indeed influence her reality with her thoughts. From that day forward, Sarah applied this principle to other aspects of her life. It was a gradual process and there were ups and downs, but slowly she started seeing positive changes in her life. This story encapsulates the essence of Abraham Hicks's teachings, the power of belief, the importance of visualizing what you want, and the miracle of witnessing the law of attraction in action. It reminds us that no matter how small or large, we have the power to manifest miracles in our lives. Now, my friends, let me introduce a new component to our exercise, the real art of mindfulness. Our exercise is a simple affirmation. Each morning before your day starts, find a quiet place and say the following words out loud. I am a creator of my own reality. Everything I want and need comes to me effortlessly and naturally. I am in perfect alignment with the universe, and the universe supports me fully. When you say these words, mean them, visualize them, really believe that you are in harmony with the universe and that everything you want can and will come to you. Alongside the practice of affirmations, thought replacement, and expressing gratitude, incorporating meditation into your daily routine can help clear your mind and enhance your focus. Every day, spend a few moments in silence, focusing on your breath and clearing your mind of any thoughts. This practice allows you to create a peaceful mental environment where you're able to connect with your inner self and the universe more effectively. You may want to focus your meditation on your affirmations. Visualize your reality as you want it to be while maintaining a clear, tranquil mind. Feel the emotions you would in that reality, whether it's joy, peace, satisfaction, love, or abundance. Let's also explore the power of our words in our interactions with others. Your words can not only shape your reality, but can also impact others. Practice using positive and encouraging language when interacting with people around you. Observe how this changes your relationships and the responses you receive. After a week of integrating these practices, morning affirmations, mindfulness, thought replacement, gratitude, meditation, and positive interactions, pause and reflect. Do you notice a shift in your consciousness, your perspective, or your reality? Have your emotions and experiences been influenced? Remember, this process isn't about overnight transformation. It's about gradually aligning your energy with the universe's to positively influence your perceptions and experiences. The journey may seem slow at times, but every step you take is a step towards creating a reality that resonates with your aspirations and desires. As you go about your day, try to catch yourself when your mind begins to wander into negative territory. When it happens, and it will, as it's a part of being human, gently guide your thoughts back to positivity. Remember, you're in control of your thoughts. You can use simple mantras to aid this process. When a negative thought arises, acknowledge it without judgment and then replace it with a positive statement. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," gently correct it by saying to yourself, "I am capable and will give my best effort." Another essential element to incorporate into your day is gratitude. Before going to bed each night, reflect on your day and identify at least 3 things you are grateful for. This can be anything from a kind word from a stranger to a personal accomplishment. Expressing gratitude helps to foster a positive mindset and attract more good things into your life. Over the next 2 days, repeat the affirmation each morning. In addition to that, throughout the day, take a few moments to close your eyes and visualize your desires as if they've already manifested. Feel the joy, the abundance, the peace. The goal is to align your vibration with the reality you want to create. And then, well, we watch what happens. We observe any shifts in our perspective, our emotions, our reality. Are things showing up differently for you? Are you feeling more positive, more aligned, more magnetic? This is the power of positive affirmations and the law of attraction at work. Repeat this practice of morning affirmations, mindful thought replacement, and nightly gratitude for a week. The goal is not to eliminate negative thoughts, that's unrealistic, but to become more aware of your thought patterns and consciously guide them towards positivity and abundance. At the end of the week, take a moment to reflect. Has your week felt different? Have you noticed any changes in your emotions, attitudes, or experiences? Has your reality shifted in any way? Remember, these practices are not magic tricks that will instantaneously change everything in your life. They are tools that help you cultivate a positive mindset and align yourself with the energy of the universe, influencing your perception of reality. Try out this expanded exercise and share your experiences with us. Every journey begins with a single step, and you have the power to make that step in any direction you choose. We're here to support you every step of the way.